As usual, we are avoiding motorways and tolls. Yes, because you get to see more of the country. We don't have a big letter.
Vinny can't really go over 90, 100 kilometres an hour.
Yeah, the van doesn't really do more than 80, so for us it takes a lot longer on the tolls anyway, so you know what, we're going to take the scenic route.
Just driven for a couple of hours and we've got to CELJIE, the oldest town in Slovenia. We've parked up in a really nice little park up with electric for 50 cents for 1 kilowatt. Now I don't know what that equates to.
I think you're reading it wrong. You've read it wrong.
I think we're gonna test it out. There's Wi-Fi connection just there. Sarah's on a connection somewhere here, which is always good.
Yeah, look. So my phone, if it sits over there by our spices in the window touching the metal frame, we have a bar and can connect to the Wi-Fi from the ice. Is there an ice rink here? An ice rink of some kind? Ice rink guest. So we've got a big decision to make now. Very important decision. And it's over to my husband to make that decision. Baked bean or tuna pasta?
I think it's going to have to be a coin toss. I can't choose between two beautiful meals.
And it's easy, one pot, pasta with tuna and onion or pasta with baked beans. Choose, make your decision. Oh, well, there's some mushrooms, so we could have some few mushrooms in the baked bean one. It's all very exciting here in the van at meal times.
So we're going to go and check out the old town after lunch.
Old town, SIM card, groceries. We're going to go off on our bikes, leave these little baby boys here. It is very exciting. We don't know whether we're staying here tonight. This is a pretty good little park up there. Like we said, we can plug into the electric if we need to.
There's a park over there, just a little walkway, bridge across a little river into the old town. So
Nick's already checked out the local amenities. He's seen that you can get a glass of wine over there for €1. You can get a pint of beer for €2. So, you know.
That was just for research and Wi-Fi purposes.
Always use your whistle kettle rather than your saucepan to boil water and then pour it in for your pasta, because it's so much more efficient. The water will boil so much quicker in here than in the saucepan.
Good little tip.
Good little tip.
Des, you happy to be in Slovenia? You know where Slovenia is? Charlie? Hey, Charlie's happy, look. You mentioned Slovenia and he's straight over sniffing. Just been out for a walk. You want to go out again, don't you?
I hope you're hungry.
Hope I'm hungry. That's the most ridiculous question ever.
Chili beans, mushrooms, onions, garlic, some Worcester sauce, bit of parsley, all in that pot.
Nice hot meal. Best to have a bigger meal during the day though, isn't it? So you burn it off. Yeah, that's what
we're trying to do now. We're trying to like have a larger meal at lunchtime. We generally do that, don't we?
It's freezing at night now.
Yeah.
So it's best to not have the windows open and get your meal done during the day when it's a bit warmer.
Yeah. As soon as it gets dark, you can just tuck away in the van and chill out. You can see the castle on top of the hill there. Plan to go up there later on, probably, or tomorrow morning. Right perched up on the top of the hill. So we've got a tow bar, we're going to get it. €17,000. I'm going to live in this with the dogs. Nick's going to live in the van and tow me along.
There you have the lovely bedroom. Come back through to the kitchen. Oh, hello there.
Oh my god. You know what? We could totally live in something this size. There's a bigger one there, but this one, that one seems too big. It does, doesn't it? That was like too big and too, yeah, this is just perfect. We could live in this. Do you know what's really good as well?
at that.
No. It's really weird because everything just sort of works perfectly, she says, when she can't get that open.
So nice, isn't it? The shutters. That goes away.
Massive kitchen. These make you feel like getting something a bit bigger. New things. See, this is just
really nice, comfortable bed.
Easily live in this. Really like the size of that bathroom. I really like the size of this kitchen. And then what else you need? Nice little compact bed. This is perfect.
We had a quick look round the old town while going to do our missions, so it'd be really nice to see it from way above at the top of this steep hill by the castle. Such lovely surroundings here as well, just forested hills everywhere. Look what we found.
So we're scrumping, guys. We're scrumping and we've got horse chestnuts.
They're so good. And there's loads of them. Just walking up to the castle, just off the path. Noticed a few on the ground.
They're a little tricky to get to, but they're all sort of split open because obviously these are really spiky. But you can just grab them, grab the top of that and just pull them out quite easily. Right, we're in the castle, having a quick coffee break first. I'll tell you what, this is a really nice coffee. But yes, it's €4 each to get the castle, which is reasonable, and you get a little coupon, so you get €1 off your coffee, so you only actually have to take 10 cents for your coffee, which is a really good deal. Yeah, and the dogs can come in as well, so that's really great.
Because we only had €1 and change when you put 2 hours on the parking, and we got a little bit carried away, scrumping for
the chestnuts,
the sweet chestnuts, which is good, but yeah, it gives us about 45 minutes, so yeah, we're literally gonna have to rush round.
I'm absolutely gutted we haven't got longer because I've always wanted to have a go
Yeah,
of
me
chess.
too, me
I've always
too.
wanted to play chess on one of these big boards.
So this is a descendant to the oldest grapevine, apparently.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? Those grapes do actually look ancient. I think we've already said, but this is the oldest city in Slovenia.
Haven't really got time, but...
Haven't got time, but we've got to have a go at this. What do I do? Just throw it?
yeah, spin it around. Right, ready? Oh!
And again. Ah.
Yeah, boy.
So if you look through those steps, if you're a little dog, you'd be quite scared, wouldn't you?
So we're now entering the torture chamber. Can I take a seat, babe? That doesn't look very nice, does it?
I don't get it. Do they just make you like sit on it? Does it move or something? Red light in it looks even more scary, and I don't know if you can hear the sort of horror music they're playing in the background. Pretty freaky in here. Check out this little chamber of horror. Just to put you in there, and then loads of spikes go into you. So our first 24 hours in Slovenia have been pretty bloody amazing. Even though it's the coldest 24 hours out of all the countries so far.
It's all just been so nice. Like the drive to get here, straight away you come into Slovenia and it's just really nice scenery, rolling hills, and then this stop is brilliant. You got free water.
Free water, a toilet waste, the grey water waste. Just over there.
And then electric.
Free electric. Well, we just put €1 in yesterday basically, and it just lasts forever. I mean, obviously we don't have loads of appliances in the van. We've only got a tiny fridge and stuff.
So that was good. And then we went to get the SIM card, the phone.
Yeah.
That was so easy. It was so easy.
So easy. You don't have to show your passport or anything. Just go in there, pick up a SIM card. Really good deal. Great for us because we can upload videos from the van. We both just had long hot showers.
We are the proud owners of a lovely Slovenian
electric kettle. Oh, this kettle was like half price. It was like €11. And because we've had a look on Park for Night, there's lots of places like this in Slovenia, and because we're running low on gas, for us it's perfect to have like a little plug-in electric kettle, and you know, we can just have hot drinks 'cause it's getting cold now, and we can just for our showers and things, so it works out great.
Everyone's just been so friendly. Slovenia, thumbs up.
So far,
It's
so
looking really good.
And we're just all clean and fresh. We actually had like a 10-minute shower each or something crazy.
So nice, just kept topping it up. So nice.
Topping it up, and the water was circulating in our bucket, so we're really happy.
Yeah, all good.
All good. Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.